Say something, I'm giving up on
Keep that bloody beast of yours away from Scabbers, or I'll turn it into a tea cozy.
It's a cat, Ronald. What do you expect? It's in his nature.
I'll be the
Is that what they
one
told
if you
Looks
want
more
me
like a
to.
pig with hair, if you ask me.
That's rich, coming from the owner of that smelly old shoe brush. Right, Crookshanks. You just ignore the mean little boy.
Anywhere I would have followed you.
Not so fast, Harry.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Did I mention that?
Twice.
And I
To the Shrieking Shack.
am feeling so small.
Well, look at here.
It was over my head.
Beautiful day.
Gorgeous.
I know nothing at all.
Pieces. What are you talking about? Ronald has lost his rat.
And I
Your cat killed him.
Rubbish.
will stumble and fall.
That thirsty beast always lurking about.
I'm still learning to love,
Maybe you should learn to take better care of yours.
just starting to crawl.
Did not.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Loads of evil little cockroach.
Hermione, no! It's not worth it.
I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I would have followed you.
Let's go! Quick!
Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I
You're alive!
Keep a closer
will
eye.
swallow my
Is you someone
pride.
allergy?
Right.
Next time I see you,
You're the one
I meant
that I
me.
love.
Blimey. What's
I'm
that?
saying goodbye.